cannot worship until you love. You cannot love until you feel. You cannot feel until you understand. You can understand until you learn. You cannot learn until you have been found. Can't be found until you seek. You will not seek nor find.